Hey, aren't you the new member of CPS? We're late, let's go!
Who's here? Nice, the food is here. Members are starving, man. Go, go, go!
Oh, where's the veggie for it?
The veggie programmer, right there. Okay. Oh, you're the new member, right? That's great. Okay, come on, follow me. Okay, so we're just about to I'm sorry. Anyways, do you want to know what CPS usually does? Well then, why don't you go see it for yourself?
It's really, really good.
You want some pizza?
Hi, I'm the director for this production.
Director? Can I ask you what I should change about the order? Something more. I'll let you change that.
Hi, welcome to the behind the scenes of Help BTS. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. So, what do you think? It looks like a big family, right? Anyways, here's the QR code to join CPS. We always want a new addition to the family.